I mean, there's all kind of reasons in different categories, but let's talk about this. Oh, I can't see like that. So the thing I want to say about free and fake, here's another real pretty word for it all: marketing.
Okay.
That's what you did. You did advertising and marketing, but you could never call it free because you felt like you were cheating yourself, your education, your income.
Mm-hmm.
And I mean, I got a whole list of professionally typed. I got a whole list of things I wrote down over the last couple of days. And actually, I wrote them in my notes on my phone, but I'm on my phone doing this. So then I had to handwrite them real quick so I could see both at the same time. But for me, I was going over a program with a stylist yesterday. The stylist in my salon hates the word free more than anything. She just won't even participate in the free program. And I said yesterday, you know what? I'll say her name, Shelby. I said, you know what, Shelby? You're trying to fill your book up a little more. There's a program we used to do called Friend for Free. So any of your customers that are coming in now, when you call to remind them of their appointment, offer for them to bring in a friend for the same service or less in money and physical working for the same, for doing the same thing for less. But here's the deal. They got to come in at the same time. So then it's a party, it's a get together, an outing, it's with a girlfriend. They either can split the cost between the two of them and each pay half price, or the one can just do it for full price and bring the friend for free. And that person now gets to experience your work and will book for full price next time. You can call it marketing or you could call it free. Whatever you want, a gift, you could call it philanthropy. Mm-hmm. It's building your book and your business.